All right, here we go. Here we go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Got a chest mount today, boys. Premium biking content coming your way. But first, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Scott's Garage. Got another e-bike video coming your way. Got Osborne coming on the way. We're gonna go shred. Got this new GoPro chest mount, so the video should be better quality, better camera angle. Should be a good time. How's that look, boys? Need to go down a little bit. I can use my bell again. Problems with my brakes. I need new brake pads. Look at this. It's no bueno.
Thanks, kid.
Oh man, my brakes are so bad. Alrighty. If you guys are new to Event and e-bikes, or at least the Adventure 2, this is the throttle right here. Hopefully you can see that. Throttle, you got turn signals. Hold up for your headlights and taillights. The power button cycles through all your stuff on the screen. Got 1,001 miles on this beast. Just hit 1,000 miles yesterday. Ah!
They're good to have because
Oh, a little muddied. Little muddy. Mud on my legs. Actually, I gotta piss. Give me a minute. Breaking news, Ozzy broke his bike. His, this thing is loose. Whatever that means. I guess we're gonna find out what happens.
Forgetting it's on the other trail. Oh,
That's where I almost died.
that's a fun trail, isn't it?
Yeah.
No brakes.
I know what your brakes are like.
Beautiful use of the turn signal. Oh, shut it. Smell that fresh air. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Deer trail. Here we go, boys. Some fucking awesome action here. Yeah, here we go. We got a nice left turn. Got some roots. Yeah, that's good. That's good. I need some air in my tires. Oh yeah. squeaky brakes. Fuck you, Ozzy. Oh! Dude, that pedal strike I had back there was gnarly. Too quick. That's all there is to it. I know all these mountain bike purists are just like, "Ugh, he's just using a throttle the whole time." That's not real mountain biking. Oh, Jesus. Let's catch up to Ozzy. Holy shit. Just metal on metals.
No, I thought we lost you, man. I was like, oh.
Nah, I was flying.
I know, man. Holy
I can't
shit.
stay behind Ozzy with his damn light and her with her light. Let's go. Let's go footprint. I don't care. Shit.
Let's footprint it up. Oh, that's gnarly. Oh. Something's rubbing down there. Oh! Ah! Ah! Son of a...
I can lift everybody's bike over if they want.
Oh! Oh, right there, a spider web. We good? There's another tree up here.
You can go around this one.
I went off course. We were supposed to go down that way.
I followed you.
That's a gnarly looking trail though. Looks like something from Harry Potter, this tree knocked down. Thought I was gonna knock my head off. Going under that tree right there. Yeah. A little bumpy. Hitting these damn roots.
I didn't mean to keep slowing down on you, but
No, you're good. How's the speed I would have went? Yay! I thought,
Actually pretty fun.
let me stop because that doesn't feel great. Oh no! Holy shit! Look at that.
here.
Look.
Oh yeah, that's just your guard though.
No, I know, but it's rubbing against my frame.
Oh. Kick it in.
Anybody got like something I can smack that with? All right, we're good.
Look at my sweat on my arm, I can see.
We're good. Ozzy banged me.
Yeah, great, Mike.
God. God damn. Yeah. These roots. Guess you gotta learn when to pedal and when not to. About damn broke my toes. What just happened to me? I stand up to pedal over those roots and my foot caught on the root like that and then sucks it in and broke my toes, dude. That fucking hurt. That fucking hurt like shit. I think I broke a toe.
You want me to give you a foot massage?
All of these ones.
Want me to kiss it?
That definitely didn't feel good, I'll say that.
You know, the rice method. Rest, ice, compression, and elevation, and you'll be okay.
Thanks, Dr. Oz.
Damn, yeah, you need a seat, dog.
I know, you see it, it's bent out of shape.
Like, look at that thing, dog. Look, that's just where your f***ing dong must sit, and then your ass falling off.
Boys, that hurt the old tootsies. Ooh, that was tough. Get a little speed.
I gave her turbo for a few seconds to catch up.
Gotta hit
He
30.
really by me, and I was like, nah. It puts in perspective how fast you're going
Yeah,
when you go 28 down a trail.
yeah. Yeah, you don't realize it when you're going down a street, but when you're going down a trail.
It's like, I'm turning 28, it's like, go, I want to go more. And it's like, dude, you're already cooking pretty
Yeah,
fast.
you're going good.
Doing it?
I don't want to go all the way up that trail though. That trail sucked. If you didn't watch the last video, watch it right here. She fell off this bridge. She fell off this bridge into the mud here. Where is he? The beaver. What's going on, boys? Everybody always says I need to talk more in these videos. Do a voiceover of your videos. Well, what do I say? What do I talk about? Talk about what I'm doing? This is a nice trail. Here we go. Going around this mud. Got hit by some leaves. Is that what you guys want? Huh? Is that what you want? This would be like those TikTok videos where it's like somebody talking about something like real or important, and then in the background it's just like some dude playing Minecraft. Comment down below if you like my voice. Well, if you don't, at least get your crash on video.
You gotta get hit with some speed.
And now you're already down there.
Throttle.
Here it is. The old humps and bumps. Whee! I couldn't avoid that puddle. We're gonna get this thumbnail.
Jump if I go too fast over this one.
Yeah. Holy. All right, boys. Well, we just ate at Pirates Cove. Shout out to Bastards. We just ate at Pirates Cove. Shout out to Pirates Cove. Good salad. Now we're on our way home. We're on our way home. Yeah. The temperature has dropped significantly. I'm not gonna bore you with this ride home, so I'm just gonna hit you with an outro real quick. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. It's like right here. Hit that subscribe button. It's also right there, or on the bottom right of your screen right here. Oh, I'm trying not to get hit by a car here. Let us know where we should ride these bikes at, and somewhere in Pennsylvania or anywhere. Give us some suggestions down below. Check out the other videos on the channel, boys. Thanks for watching. See ya.